안녕하세요. Literally speaking, 환영합니다.
Wow, Seki, I had no idea what you just said.
Well, basically, I did our normal literally speaking welcome intro, but in the Korean language.
Is there a specific reason why you switch up the languages?
Well, today on Tiny Tips, we will be discussing on how you can improve speaking a particular language.
When we were younger, we learned our language mainly through observation by watching how our parents or other people talk and interact with each other in that language. Now that we are more grown up, I would recommend watching movies or shows in that particular language. For example, if you want to learn Spanish, watch a Spanish movie. If you want to learn Korean, watch a Korean movie. If you want to learn English, watch us. After watching enough conversations and interactions in that particular language, you'll be able to pick up the popular phrases as well as the important words needed in a conversation, and that will help you in your first step in learning that particular language.
Now, when you get comfortable with that, the next thing to do is to level up your game. And you can do so by learning to write and read in that language. Because when you are able to write in the language, you naturally know how to read. And when you're able to read, you'll be exposed to a lot more complex vocabulary to add to your library. Now, what's the importance of vocabulary in any language? It will allow us to be able to express ourselves more fluently and deliver smoothly in anything that we say.
And today, in our modern era of technology, there are many apps out there that can help you with your learning. You can download these apps for free, and basically, they will help you guide your steps in learning that language. There are so many ways that you can learn the language, and because of that, we recommend you to pick an app that suits your learning requirements. Do you need to focus more on the reading and writing? Do you need to focus more on the speaking? That's for you to decide. But once you've made your choice, all the best in your language learning journey. And just like that, we've just finished our Tiny Tips video. If previously you wanted to learn your mother tongue, now that you've watched our video, you don't need to cut off your mother's tongue anymore. Be sure to like and share this video, subscribe to us if you haven't, and spread the news.
So until then, keep learning
Keep enjoying.
and keep watching Literally Speaking.